Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Found the horse chestnut, and it's starting to come back to me in my Wayback Time Machine as to why we abandoned the project. This piece still holds some promise. It's got some spalting and some cracking in it, but I was hoping to get two Asian style rice bowls out of it. I have another one a little smaller but similar. So the log itself was cut in such a way that they made it manageable, that they could pick it up. And when they did that, they painted it with latex paint, and they put it someplace damp. Let's try the smoother. Yeah, see, I don't know. All these little cracks are coming to the surface. So I'm skewing the plane to slice through them. But I'm thinking the only way this wood could be salvaged would be to stabilize it, resin soak it. So I'll show you what's happening. So you can see it's a beautiful wood. It's got fiddleback grain, nice coloring. It's a pretty wood. But what's happening is these cracks, as they come up to the surface, are causing these tear outs. See them? Right there's one. And they're all throughout here. Let's try another surface. So sometimes all the best intentions, like painting it with latex paint to stop the drying, well, the log shouldn't have been cut in the first place. It should have been brought either to me or another craftsman right away. Now, that's planing fairly nice. So, you can see that grain there. There's no cracks in that surface until you get up here. So I don't know. I honestly don't know if I could resaw it and get small pieces out of it and make some sort of commemorative box. But That's the horse chestnut I was talking about in that old video from 2019. Let me know if you've ever used horse chestnut and how you like it. This one stinks because of the spalting, but there's a Japanese wood turner, traditional wood turner in Japan, of course. Duh. Her name is Aiko Tanaka. And Aiko does a lot of horse chestnut turnings. And she does a lot of very special finishing techniques. Does a lot of special rice bowls and other plates. Some beautiful stuff. But that's taking a beautiful polish. It's a shame it's all cracked. Oh well. So that's about it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Your good friend Walter here. I really appreciate you. Like, subscribe, share. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.